Okay, so you're on Twitter, you go to search Twitter. I'm going to do hashtag teach like a pirate. Okay. And then for the chat, I'm going to like live in this page, okay? So latest. And then as people, you know, post, oh, you know, so say this is, oh, look. Here, answer, whatever. Okay, so say this one is a question, okay? You can either reply or you can retweet, and so then it's there and you do this, right? And then you do your answer, hashtag teach like a pirate, and then you tweet it, okay? And then you just kind of pull down to refresh, and as you're going through, like, oh, this is a really good answer, you know, I'm going to like that, and I'm going to retweet it, or I'm going to retweet it and respond, or whatever. But you live in this search page, and you keep it on latest so that you can see when the new questions come up. And then, yes, you'll do, you know, answer one, blah, 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 hashtag whatever, tweet. Okay, hope that helps.